Oh my God!
So we have just landed into this most visited island, including this Pilgrim Island. So napakadaming tao dito nga at hindi tayo makadaan sa Magic Float. Alright, so these three islands are connected with this Magic Float. Yes, it do connected. And para tayo sumasayo dito.
Ito tayo sa tour guide.